Haven't felt so cinematic in years.
And now I will combine all of ZHIYUN's gimbals to make the ultimate gimbal. What?
What? From unknown sender. Emergency video meeting in 15 minutes? Oh, that's really soon. Warning, please come alone. What? Hey, is that Daddy's gimbal?
Hulk smash!
Oh, no, Hulk smash. I'll take that. This is a Weeble S, not Train 2S. You gotta be a little bit more gentle than that. Alright, come here. I guess we're gonna be doing more pandemic screen time, okay? Mommy be home very soon.
Oh, Gundars? Did you arrange this?
No. Josh? What are you doing here?
Oh, hey Josh. What's up with the lightning storm?
That? I'm just trying something new.
And who's the fourth person?
Oh, I think that's a video.
Oh wow, that's a really good thumbnail.
No, it's clickbait. Don't click on it.
But it's got a picture of a cat. I click on all cat videos.
Say, don't do it.
Connected.
Good day, Josh, Gundars, and Say. I have a message for you lot. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to join ZHIYUN-TECH's YouTube channel team as hosts, and you will each make compelling content every month. You will make helpful tutorials, share inspiring stories, host fun online campaigns, and interview other dope filmmakers. Gundars, you have been chosen for your willingness to go out of your comfort zone to make cinematic travel films and dance videos. ZHIYUN needs someone who can teach how to film cooler than cool cinematic B-rolls. Josh, you have been chosen as the industry veteran with over 8 years of experience being on YouTube and over 15 years in the entertainment industry. ZHIYUN also needs someone who can easily lift the Crane 3 series without breaking a sweat. Say, you have been chosen because you seem to be able to build rigs out of everyday materials. You're like a filmmaking MacGyver but with less hair, and that's okay because we got Josh for that. We like how you bring sprinkles of VFX into the gear industry, and out of the three of you, you mate are the only one licensed to tell dad jokes. So, if you lot accept this mission, go out there right now and create. Good luck. This message will self-destruct in 7 seconds. 7, 6, what are you waiting for? Go! 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.